If you have purchased a memonizer water box, remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizer water box. Slide the memonizer water box over the filter housing from below and put the shielding sleeve onto the memonizer water box from above. That's it. To change the filter, remove the shielding sleeve from the memonizer water box and drop the memonizer water box away from the memonizer water filter. That's it. Shut off the main water valve in front of the memonizer water filter and open the tap connected behind it to reduce the water pressure. Place an empty bucket under the memonizer water filter. Use the supplied tool to loosen the filter cartridge that comes first in the direction of flow. Remove the activated charcoal briquette filter and the magnesium rod with a stainless steel spiral. Insert a new filter with the original magnesium rod with a stainless steel spiral. Press the white filter cover onto the top of the filter and screw the filter cover back on, first by hand, then with the tool. Open the shutoff valve and perform a visual inspection to determine whether the screw connection is tight. Note the date on the sticker that came with the new filter and stick it over the previous sticker. That's it.